Welcome to Motorcycle Enhancements. Gonna do a little walkthrough for you. Here's our phone number and shop hours. We do motorcycle certifications. You don't see this sign on the shop door. They can't do certifications. A few of our accolades. It's not even half of them. This is XS650, 1975.
Hi.
I don't know what year that is, but she is great, I'm telling you. Best customer service you'll ever get right here. Say hi to Tara.
Hi.
Here's our showroom. Got a few bikes on display. This is my old Roadstar. That has a Roadstar motor. Steampunk rat bike. A couple of customers' bikes. That's Jeff's bike. My Indian Larry tribute bike. A couple of magazines. We're in a few of them. And our lunch area. Kitchen and stuff. So, and I'll take you around the back of the shop. Show you guys how busy we are. All good. We got an old Honda here, Kawasaki Vulcan, an OCC Chopper, one of the production bikes, single side swing arm. Old BMW. This is up for sale. Anybody looking for a bike, ready for spring, I'll sell it certified. This another BMW. We just did the transmission work on here. It was whole back end had to be all removed and put back together. We're working on a Harley Softail over here. Actually getting it ready to store it for long term. So we're removing all the fuel, oil, any fluids, and then it's going to be hanging up from the rafter somewhere, just for display. Mint shape Softail standard. Yamaha Roadstar, all redone. Been involved in an accident. Repainted, put on some foot pegs, and this is the one we did, the handlebars, the wires and the bars. Check out our previous video on how we did that. Here's an old Kawasaki. Redoing the carburetors on this. Petcock. Good old KTM. We're almost done this one, just waiting on a cover. This BMW is going to be turned into like somewhat of a cafe racer. Pretty cool. This is my good old friend Paul's bike. We just powder coated the lower legs and put the whole front end back together. There's another Suzuki in the background, our tire machine. Kawasaki Vulcan. We got a few parts out for paint for this bike. He loves this bike. Here's Road King, 8 hangers, doing some maintenance work on it. We even got a Jeep here, fixing up the control arm, replacing the battery, that kind of stuff. Euro sidecar differential. If you look at a previous video, you'll see the differential. Just waiting on some more parts for that. In the background, there's a Honda Trike. We're gonna strip that down, get it painted, and get it ready for spring. We got a few motorcycles everywhere. Honda 750, Ducati 750, BSA Chopper, pretty cool looking bike. We work on all models, old, new, you name it. We walk through this way. Dirt bike, Yamaha, KMZ 700, no 750. Got some carburetor issues that we're ironing out, but we installed the ignition system that we posted the other day, and we got it to spark, so everything's good. Just got to fix up the timing and put her back together, and she should be good to go. I'll show you around our machine shop. There's kind of capabilities that we have. Sandblasting equipment, milling machine, assembly table with a water buffalo that we're rebuilding. Welding station's a little messy, but we'll clean that up shortly. That's what happens when you get busy. Two bending equipment. Or on this side we've got a lathe, so we'll make up some parts and do what we have to do to get stuff done. Unlike any other motorcycle shop, we've got a lot of capabilities here. So, grass polishing wheel, another mill, Rockwell, oldie but goodie, bandsaw, planishing tool. So yeah, that's our workshop area. Hit us up if you need anything. We're still working on winter projects, so come on in, beat the spring rush. A lot of people procrastinate and wait till the last minute to get their bike fixed, and then they're all in a rush and a huff and a puff. Get it done now while you can. Thanks for watching. Any comments, hit it below. Follow us and like for more.